At ang isa sa nabautismuhan niya ay ang Panginoong Hesus mismo. At nang si Christ, when Jesus Christ was baptized by John, he was not only baptized by John just to be baptized, kundi the reason why he was baptized, ang sabi, to set himself as an example to follow by those people who will obey the righteousness of God. Yan ang mababasa po natin dito sa Matthew 3:15 to 16. Basahin po natin ang sabay-sabay. But Jesus said, it should be done, for we must carry out all that God requires. So John agreed to baptize him. After his baptism, as Jesus came out of the water, the heavens were opened, and he saw the Spirit of God descending like a dove and settling on him. Kaya ano po ang sabi ng salita ng Diyos nang si Christ ay mabaptized? Sabi sa verse 15, ano ang sabi niya? For we must, it should be done, for we must carry out all that God requires. So hindi niya sinabi, I must be baptized so that I can fulfill the requirements of God. When he was baptized, it's very clear that he is setting himself as an example. Sabi niya, it should be done. Dahil ito ang dapat sa atin. We must carry out all that God requires. Kaya ang ginamit na, hindi na I. Di ba? Hindi na for me. For we must. Yung we must ay talagang requirements na dapat sundin ng tao. Kaya nga sa Luke 7:30, sinabi ni Kristo that those who will not submit themselves to baptism is rejecting God's purpose in their life. Kaya sabi, but the Pharisees and the experts of the law rejected God's purpose for themselves because they had not been baptized by John. Kaya talaga ang bautismo, napakahalagang aral sa Biblia. It is an essential doctrines to Christianity.